Last year, we unveiled SecondFloor, transforming the industry with instant floor plans, and your response has been astonishing. With over 10,000 downloads across 50 countries, you've made SecondFloor an essential part of the real estate photographer's toolkit. This year, we're excited to introduce a few updates that we've been hard at work on. Starting today, label rooms your way with custom room titles for the wide variety of spaces you come across. Paired with our social media exporting features like floor plan rotation, it's never been easier to promote the media services you offer in vertical formats. And for those one-off projects, jump in with our new Day Pass, 24 hours of unlimited floor plan scanning. Full access without an ongoing subscription, available starting today. And we're thrilled to announce GLA Square Footage for all of your floor plans, instantly available without internet access or waiting on processing, just like our fully featured floor plans. Square Footage is available starting today, and we can't wait for you to start using it. And the best part? Everything is included with our standard pricing, no add-ons or hidden fees. Explore the latest with SecondFloor, the fastest way to create a finished floor plan.